let's take a look, shall we? Probably need a ticket for that tour.
Oh, do we?
Yeah, that's what it do. Remember I was saying the other place is a ticket office, those are for, said, so
Alright,
that's probably why all that. Really should the case, but it's very windy now. We're here. I was here before 3 years ago. I was doing a drone tour of Ireland. I got it at sunrise. I think I slept in my car. I've upgraded since then, as you can see. This was another lookout tower. Sun's going down there, so I don't know, it may hit some here, we might get some lights, I don't know. The ground seems to be level where we're parked and it's not windy, it's sheltered, so we might stay here tonight. We might have a chance of sunrise. Sunrise will come from over there. Yeah, let's go down here, see if we can get some photos and do the whole not die part. That would just be fan-bloody-tastic. Now you could do a long exposure here. You could do don't know if you can see it there yet. The water's crashing now. Some people do go out there to get the shot. You possibly could. I'm not too interested in it. Lens cap. I'm more interested in the lighthouse and the sky. So that's what we have there. Oh, I don't know if you can see that there. Looks a bit dark, but if I want to, I can bring it down a bit brighter. It's just I want to have the detail in the clouds. So this part now is a bit of waiting. Let's get the selfie video part done. So stay. Okay. Stay. We want a bit more for the text. There we go. Got the old selfie part in there. So let's get you back up. Sorry? Why not? Huh? Hey. Oh, well, you could have made a new friend. So now we're just playing the way being blocked there, are you? So a lot of them do go out there. I don't know if it's worth the risk with this wind.
Drone?
No, it's going out for a photo, like. Yeah. I'll probably get the drone up, like I'm just. Yeah. That's only if you want a tripod and a thing, but I find when it's too windy, it just, like, everything just ends up blurry, so I'm just going for a static shot. Lovely crashing wave would be nice. I'm just waiting for the light to change, so. Did they close up, did they? Alright. Oh, look, foam. Foam party going on down there. Oh, bro. Gotta get the reel for Instagram. And ironically, I know I have a camera. Still just one for the wank bank. I mean, for the show off photos. What's it, another half hour, an hour before sunset? I don't know if it'll hit because it's gone behind the mountains. I might just walk around here a little bit with this for kind of a tour. Might actually do that and then on the way back do that. Let's see if we can. We might even. Oh! I had to take a picture. I'm like, very dark! Let's go.
Check all your settings first, yeah?
Oh, yeah. I'm like, those settings should be fine. It's like, oh, right, hold on. Because I only found the lens cap there the last trip out. I've been putting it back on. Yeah. Only a slipper night tonight, and anyway. Oh, look, a rainbow.
I don't think I can go there.
Let's see what's yeah. Let's go. You can feel it. Out. Oh, that's so nice.
We were here all day.
Yeah? Ah, no, we were down by the Pollock, the arch. Yeah. And it was like 1 minute it's rainbow, 1 minute it's sunny, 1 minute it's...
Trying to get a rainbow here, fucking Aberhead Lighthouse, so and get some wave for it.
Do you know what, man? I've been seeing one down there, and it was just in a terrible shot. If it just moved.
It's happening over here.
Yeah?
It's not happening. We'll keep at it.
Where are you set up?
No, I've just got the drone.
Ah, right. What have you got?
I've got it.
Air.
Free road.
Ah.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, I was just seeing the waves there. I'm just thinking it'd make a nice shot.
And about the half an hour and it's
Yeah.
I'm up there all the time.
Are you local, yeah?
Not really. Awesome.
It's close enough, man. I'm a dub, so I'm a bit further away, like. Yeah, sure. If you're not out, you won't catch it, you know. Lens cap. Come on. Sorry? Nah, fuck that shit. Nah. I have a long lens. What do we got? 204. Yeah, I'm trying to get it. So basically, I got the nice. No. Right, we got the lighthouse. We have the clouds, which is nice, the colour for that. Of course, when you're taking the picture, it's might be still not doing what I need to do, and I am standing in a very precarious. Missed it. Very precarious. Stay that way there. Keep going. Be the one that I need. We're at 24 miles. 1/200 of a second F4 because we're handhold, and I put it into high burst mode because you can kind of get it, get more shots in there. So everything should be in focus with F4 flat there. We're gonna step down. Oh no, I am talking to myself. That sounds more like less crazy.
You know drone?
I do. It's in the tin.
You just already got the phone.
Bring it down. This was what is it, January? After the big storm, remember the big one?
Yeah.
That's out there.
Shit, yeah, that's nice.
The waves were fucking huge. Like, I thought I lost
That's
it.
dangerous where you were. Like, were you not low enough to?
No,
like,
because
to
the
get
waves were that big. You know, didn't have to. They were just right up along.
Fucking hell.
Insane.
Suppose I'll get me drone down, I suppose.
Get it down and
I'll hand it off to you
not
and
too bad.
take the credit. Like. Need a new battery on this one anyway.
about an hour or so.
Yeah. Yeah, no worries, I'll get me stuff.
My drone for composer enough.
Right, what is it?
Yeah, the Mini 4 he has. I've got the Air 3S.
Bring it down, you look around.
Yeah. Yeah.
Keep it down along the rocks.
Yeah.
Oh, and then the right angle.
Yeah, if I lose it, I lose it.
Yeah. Do you want to lose my Mini 3 and then just buy me a new one? Alright. Funny enough, guess what they released a new one of? The bloody Insta. So, let's go. Hang on. Footage of that can be salvaged. Right, back to the van. Get the old drone out. And refresh the battery on this. Head on down and chill out, like. Capture the sunset and then we're good. Yes. Boot some wellies would be nice in Ireland.